How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can deactivate our Facebook account. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. First thing is head over and open up your Facebook. After you are logged in, you can directly head over to your account in the top right corner and open up the menu. Once you have opened up a menu, head over to the gear icon and open up your settings. And the next step is directly go to your account center. Once your account center menu opens up, scroll down and go to personal details. Open it up and select account ownership and control under identity confirmation. Once selected account ownership and control, go to deactivation or deletion and then select up your Facebook account and then select the first option, deactivate your account, and continue the process. After that, continue again, and for the last time, you need to re-enter your password in order to continue. Go ahead and re-enter your password, and once you continue with the process, you need to give a reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. And once that is done, your Facebook account will be deactivated and you'll be logged out. So therefore, that is it. That is how you deactivate your Facebook account by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.